there are going to be drag queens that are on the raunchier, more sexual side, as there should be, but there are also family-friendly, PG drag queens, and I kind of consider myself more on that side of things. We're not just ambushing different spaces and pushing an agenda. We just want to entertain and make people happy, and the way you do that is by reading your room.
The basic difference between someone who is transgender and someone who is a drag queen is that someone who is transgender authentically lives as that gender all the time. It is not a facade or a costume as it is in the drag world.
You have to be an adult to get gender-affirming surgical care. There's a compromised position, which is to start folks on puberty blockers, which are a proven, long-running medication that we've been using for cisgender children for 5 decades. So that's absolutely reversible and tends to take a several-year break for folks, and it's a very safe, proven medication. Obviously, the healthcare provider has a conversation with the young person and the family to make sure that that's going to be appropriate for them. There's no one-size-fits-all model, and this is never done in secret, particularly because it's a very expensive medication and it usually requires an extended health plan to pay for it.
As a gay person, nobody taught me how to be gay. Nobody recruited me. Nobody came to my door and said, hi, we're from the, blah, blah, blah organization of gay people, and we'd love you to join. It doesn't work that way.
If I was exposed to a queer individual that I found to be inspiring at a younger age, I think it would have saved me personally a lot of heartache. Because I lived many, many, many years of my life feeling like the only person that was like me.
I feel like I could have figured out a lot of things faster had I seen more queer visibility, more people in the community just living their out and proud life.
It's critically important that we are good to trans youth. The number one thing that we can do to prevent trans youth suicide is to call people by their names and their pronouns. And this costs nothing. It doesn't require a great upheaval, but it tells people that we believe them and that we love them, not in spite of who they are, but because of who they are.